Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds REDMI Buds 4 Pro. You have to start. Firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device, then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check part with iPhone also to find a similar path to the settings. Now on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility, what located, I have stock Android and right here located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility and we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here on the first line we have mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to also go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So we need to scroll down a bit, enter into accessibility, and then we need to scroll down again. No, not so much. Okay, so in the hearing we have audio and visual, and we need to tap at this line, and if you have iOS 26 at the fourth line, if you have previous version in the third line, you will see mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at this slider, the slider have empty background. To disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!